Welcome to my public international law themed vlogs, where I'll be bringing you to see significant places related to public international law. The theme for this vlog is the development of international law.
Start.
The 1648 Peace of Westphalia is often regarded as the birthplace of modern international law because it consolidated the attributes of a state. This peace ended the 30 Years' War, which was a devastating religious conflict between Catholics and Protestants. The Peace of Westphalia comprises two treaties. One treaty was between the Holy Roman Empire and France, and the other treaty was between the Holy Roman Empire and Sweden. Both treaties were signed in Münster, but only the treaty with France was negotiated here at the historical city hall of Münster, and the other treaty with Sweden was negotiated at the historical city hall of Osnabrück.
Negotiated in Münster and Osnabrück the end of the 30 Years' War. The war, triggered by the so-called defenestration of Prague in 1618, cost the lives of millions.
This was the peace treaty signed between Sweden and what?
Holy Roman Empire. The first one was Holy Roman Emperor in France.
And what?
And France. Before Westphalia, the Holy Roman Emperor and the Pope claimed universal authority over Europe and the world. The 30 Years' War, which began as a religious conflict, resulted in an estimated 4 to 12 million deaths. As such, Westphalia contributed to a shift from church-dominated authority to sovereign states as primary actors in international law. This shift was driven partly by the belief that states are better placed to protect their own people.
今天4月1号对吗？
So after Westphalia, states have exclusive authority within their territory, a concept known as state sovereignty. Flowing from state sovereignty, Westphalia consolidated these attributes of a state. Borders cannot be violated, no external interference in the state's domestic affairs. All states, big and small, are equal before international law. These principles of territorial integrity, non-interference, and sovereign equality are repeated under Article 2 of the UN Charter. They are important for balancing power dynamics between states so that all peoples can live together in peace. Now I'd like to take you on a 6-hour train ride to Nuremberg to show you how the Westphalian state-centric conception of international law is dying. The horrors of the Second World War and the Nazi regime revealed that states can commit atrocities against their own citizens. This contributed to the ongoing shift from states to individuals to better protect people. Nuremberg was the seat of Nazi power. Racial laws that discriminated against the Jews were passed here, and Hitler chose Nuremberg as its city of rallies. Behind me is a Congress Hall meant for Nazi rallies, and it is currently under renovation. Because of this history, the Allies chose Nuremberg as the location for its trials, and today, this city has thoroughly engaged with its past that it is now called the City of Human Rights. The Nuremberg International Military Tribunal marked a turning point away from Westphalian state-centrism by holding individuals directly responsible under international law for the atrocities. International human rights law also develops away from Westphalian state-centrism. It allows individuals to bring claims against their own states for violating their human rights. It adopts a victim-oriented approach to reparations. The international legal order continues to shift from a state-centric to an individual-oriented system, which is why the Westphalian conception is sometimes said to be dying but not dead.